Hello guys, are you an explorer or like to learn about the explored things? Then you must know about Columbus. Columbus is an Italian national who is an explorer and navigator who managed to find America and colonize it. Because of his success in discovering the American continent, until now his name is remembered around the world as a famous explorer and navigator. But why am I discussing about him? Well, I will not discuss too long about who Columbus was and what he did, but I will discuss tokens related to Columbus. More precisely, this is the Columbus token. The Columbus token is a token launched on the Binance Smart Chain and provides various decentralized financial features such as AMM exchange, DEX aggregator, yield firm, and NFT marketplace. Columbus is more than just a token, it is an ecosystem in which there are multiple platforms that will cater to the various crypto needs of users directly from one platform. It is a crypto platform launched specifically for users globally. But before knowing about Columbus token, you must know about the DeFi protocol. The DeFi protocol is one of the most innovative developments in the crypto market in recent years. With the DeFi protocol, global crypto users can get access to decentralized financial services which are better than the banking system. The existence of the DeFi protocol allows users to be able to exchange their crypto faster, earn passive income, and many other profits offered by this protocol. Due to the increasing adoption of the DeFi protocol, globally the Columbus token was launched to become a token and at the same time an ecosystem that will redefine decentralized finance globally. Columbus token will provide various features that I have already said, where all these features can be accessed by users directly from one platform. By launching on the Binance Smart Chain, the Columbus token will be able to maximize the DeFi protocol and provide users with an ecosystem that can accommodate a variety of user needs. Because Binance Smart Chain is one of the best chains today and has proven reliable in supporting the DeFi protocol in the crypto market. Now, if you are interested in investing in this platform, you must know the features. So I have already told you about these features. Now let me explain them more precisely. The Columbus token is both a token and ecosystem that will redefine decentralized finance. The features offered by Columbus token enable users to gain access to a reliable DEX platform which facilitates fast and secure user exchange just like other popular DEX platforms. But that's not all, obviously. There are several other features of the Columbus token, like liquidity mining. This is a feature that makes it easy for users to participate in adding liquidity to the available pairs and earn passive income from it. Users can also add their own token pair. Now let's come to DEX aggregation. DEX aggregation platform that makes it easy for users to find the best value for their trades from various DEX platforms. Now we need to know about seller farms. Users can earn passive income by participating in providing liquidity to Columbus tokens or other pairs, and they can also stake PancakeSwap LP on this farm platform to get higher yields. Lastly, it has NFT marketplace which is launched to accommodate various user needs related to NFTs such as NFT collections, user generated NFTs, etc. Before investing in it, you need to know about the token. The Columbus platform allows users to easily get these tokens through any supported exchange platform. Columbus token is a utility token that can be used by users for transaction, staking, or investment. Later, users can use this token for various things. Especially when users stake this token, they will get passive income with a fairly high yield. This is a token that will provide profits to its holders. So, don't you want to be profited? Lastly, I can say that the DeFi protocol is a protocol that is widely adopted by crypto platforms today. By adopting this protocol, it is possible for the platform to be able to present a token that benefits its participants. So, Columbus token has the vision to become a token and at the same time a crypto ecosystem that can meet various needs and provide profits for global crypto users. So, let's not waste time and jump into the platform quickly.